Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will see GATE question which is asked in 2019. Okay, this is a C programming question. So let's first of all read this question. Has include stdio.h as you can see here. Now after that int main function as you can see main function. Then there is a array. Just keep in mind this is what integer array. An array name is a and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the elements of array. Okay, 0 index 2, 1 index 4 element, and 2 index 6, 3 index 8, and 4th index 10. Just keep in mind index wise value. Integer I we have taken next line, integer I variable, and we have taken some variable and we have initialized with 0. Now here is the concept. Just keep in mind this is the main concept. uh, Pointer to b equal to a plus 4. What is the meaning of this line? Just understand. A is what? A is the name of array. Here is what? A is the name of array. So here A is the name of array and plus 4. So by default A, when we write A means it is the base address. Base address means it is the first index value address. A means address of this 2. 2 means 0 index. Okay, so A means 0. Okay, base address means 0 address, and plus 4. You have to add 4 in this base address means 0 plus 4. Okay, 0 plus 4 means fourth index value is what? This is a 1 index. 1 index means 4, 2 index means 6, 3 index means 8, 4 index means 10. So 4 means 10 index value. Okay, so 0 plus 4 means this index value 10th and 10th. So pointer to b means 10. Just keep in mind pointer to b means 10. So here I am writing with comment also. Pointer to b means pointer b means here we will get what? 10. Just for commenting I am writing this is 10. Here we will get 10. Okay, now loop for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So I value start with 0, I less than 5 means loop will continue 4 times 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I plus plus means I value will increase. Here we have taken the loop statement because if there is a only single statement, then current statement of loop will be the part of loop. So that is why we did not mention curly bracket. Okay, so this is the current statement of for. So first statement, it is the part of for loop. So sum equal to sum. Sum equal to sum means first of all how many times the loop will execute? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 0 we have to start 0 to 4. So we will execute this line. Sum equal to sum plus pointer b minus I minus pointer b minus I. So we can understand this loop here. Okay, uh, given for loop return from I to 0 to 4 means from 0 to 4 loop will execute. So understand from 0 value. If I equal to 0, suppose we are executing from I equal to 0, so sum plus, here is what? Sum plus, sum means by default sum value is 0. Okay, so here is we have written 0 plus, here is you can see pointer b minus I. Pointer b means 10. Here we have already taken 10 minus I means 0. I means 0. So 10 minus 0, 10. So 10 we have taken. Similarly pointer b minus I, same statement, different way they have written. So again we will get 10. So 10 minus 10, finally we will get 0. So first time the loop will execute, we will get 0. Now second time loop will execute I equal to 1, sum equal to, because sum value is what? Whatever we have taken after execution, the sum 0 will assign in 0. So again sum is 0. So I equal to 1, sum equal to 0 plus 9. Here this time 9. This time value will be 9. Because why 9? Because b value is 10 and here we have minus I. Minus I means this time I value has become 1. So 10 minus I means 9. So it has become 9. Just keep in mind how we are doing this process. Okay, 9. Now pointer b, next line is pointer b minus I. Pointer b minus I. Okay, so here we will get 8. Here we will get what? 8. So here the value will be 8. B pointer b minus I. So here you can get 8, and 9 minus 8 1. Again the loop value will execute, and this is how the loop will execute, and finally you will get what? 6 plus 6 minus 2 means 10. So 10 will be your output. So here your output will be 10. So 10 will be your output. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt, then you can simply write into comment box. So thank you for watching.